Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. We have a quadratic expression with a complex coefficient I. That is x squared plus I times x plus 2 is equal to 0. We will find the roots for this quadratic with two different methods. Now the first method is using our quadratic formula. Let's try. We can say x is equal to negative I plus or minus square root of I squared minus 4 times 1 times 2 and divided by 2 times 1. Here we have negative I plus or minus square root. I squared is negative 1 by definition. Minus 8 will become negative 9 divided by this 2. And negative 9 square rooted is 3 times I, since negative 1 can be shown as I squared and the square root will be I. So negative I plus or minus 3I divided by 2 gives us x1 is equal to negative I plus 3I divided by 2, which is 2I divided by 2. That is just I. And the other root is negative I, negative 3I divided by 2, which is negative 4I divided by 2. And this is equal to negative 2I. These are the solutions to our quadratic from the quadratic formula. Let's try another method. Let's try to factorize this. This is the second method. We have x squared plus I times x plus 2 is equal to 0. Now let me write this plus 2 term as we have x squared plus I times x. Let me write this as negative 2I squared. Since I squared is defined to be negative 1, we again have plus 2. Now we can say this is x times x, and this one can be written as 2I times I with a negative with this I, since the cross multiplication here. This 2 will give us 2ix and the other 2 negative ix. The sum of these ones will give this middle term plus ix. So the factorization here is x plus 2I times x minus I is equal to 0. So we can say x is equal to negative 2I or x is equal to I. This is the second method. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.